Hey guys, it's Brenda and welcome back to another video in SugarPinkDIY. And in today's video, I'll share with you guys a super cute and cool idea for Valentine's Day. Place your red velvet cake on a plate or a flat surface and with your white buttercream, draw 4 lines like this. I used a box cake mix to make my red velvet cake, but you can use your own recipe. Then, add a bunch of Valentine's Day sprinkles on top of all of your 4 buttercream lines and cover them completely. And carefully remove all of the loose sprinkles, the ones that did not stick to the buttercream. And once finished, your cake should look like this. Then, with Hugs and Kisses gummies, play tic-tac-toe with your friends and family. Or you could also use heart-shaped gummies. Basically, you can use any type of candy. This treat or edible game is super cute and easy to make. And the best part is that now you can play and later enjoy. You can use it as a gift, use it for your Valentine's Day parties, sleepovers, or even get-togethers. Don't forget to like and subscribe and see you in my next video for more ideas. Bye guys!